Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into the importance of staying hydrated and building a drinking water reminder app with Python, let me share a personal example with you. Recently, one of my friends fell sick due to dehydration. He was so engrossed in his work that he forgot to drink water regularly. This experience made me realize the importance of staying hydrated, especially during the busy times. So, now let's explore why hydration matters and how we can use Python to build a drinking water reminder app to help us stay healthy and hydrated. What is hydration? Hydration is crucial for our bodies to function properly. It's a process of replenishing fluids, primarily water, that are lost throughout the day. Water plays a vital role in regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and eliminating waste. Why hydration matters? Staying hydrated is vital for our overall health and well being. Adequate hydration helps prevent dehydration, which can lead to symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, and headache. It also supports cognitive function, boosts energy levels, and promotes healthy skin and digestion. Recognizing dehydration, especially in kids, dehydration occurs when the body loses some more fluids than it takes in. Common signs include thirst, dry mouth, dark colored urine, fatigue, muscle cramps, etc. It's crucial to recognize these signs early and take steps to rehydrate promptly. Hydration tips for summer. Here are some practical tips to stay hydrated during the summer. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 8 glasses of water. Carry a reusable water bottle with you. Eat water rich foods. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Take regular breaks in cool shaded areas and avoid prolonged sun exposure. Now let's talk about the features of our drink water reminder app. It will include customizable hydration goals, regular reminders, and hydration tracking. Users can set their preferred reminder intervals and receive notification to drink water. Staying hydrated is essential, especially during the summer months. By drinking water regularly, recognizing dehydration signs, and following simple hydration tips, we can ensure our bodies remain hydrated and ready to tackle these challenges of summer. Building a drink water reminder app with Python empowers users to prioritize their health and well being. By leveraging Python's capabilities, we can create an effective and user friendly solution to promote hydration and overall wellness. So, let's jump into the code and build a drink water reminder app with Python. Okay, so here is a code for drink water reminder app. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries of our app. First, we import the time library to handle time related operations. Next, we are importing this date time. Date time is used to get the current time, and pyttsx3 is nothing but it is a library for text to speech functionality. Before importing these libraries, make sure that you install it in your laptop using this pip install. If you want to install any of these libraries like pyttsx3, then use this line of code to install this pyttsx3, and to install datetime pip install datetime, to install time pip install time. As I have already installed in my laptop, so I am just importing these libraries. Next, I am defining one function named speak underscore reminder. So in this function, what it will be doing means it will use the pyttsx3, that is text to speech, to remind us to drink water. So inside this function, you can see I am defining a variable name engine. In this, I am storing this init. Means we are initializing the text to speech engine using this init function. Okay. Next, using that engine, I am setting the speed of a speech speed. You can see here, I am setting the speed to 150. Next, I am also setting the voice as a female voice. This is nothing but the female voice. I am setting the voice also to the female voice and the speed to 150 and female voice. Next, here you can see we are using this say function, say method to set the reminder message. Means it will say time to drink water, remember to stay hydrated. So then we are again using this engine pyttsx3 engine, and then we are using this run and wait method to speak the message aloud. Okay, once again I'll explain this. I am defining one function named speak underscore reminder, and this will use a text to speech to remind us to drink water. In this you can see inside this function I am defining variable name engine. In that variable I am storing this, I am initializing this pyttsx3 engine. Means we are initializing text to speech engine. Next, using this engine, I'm setting the speed of speech to 150, and then I'm setting the voice as voice to female voice. This is nothing but the female voice. Next, I'm using this engine and I'm saying this time to drink water, remember to stay hydrated. Run and wait method is nothing but it is used to speak the message aloud. This is the message, and this is used to speak the message aloud. Okay, let's run this. Now let's define another function set underscore reminder. In this function is nothing but it is used to continuously check the current time and trigger the reminder also. Next, we start a try block to handle any exceptions that may occur during the execution of our reminder app. So here I am defining the while loop. In this while true loop, we continuously check the current time using this datetime now dot strf time hours and minutes. This is used to continuously check the time, current time. Okay. Next, if the current time ends with you can type anything. If you want for every hour, then you can type 00. But now I am typing as a 005. Okay, because in 5 minutes I want to run this code. That's why I'm using 5. If you want for every hour, you can change it to 00. Then I'm using this speak underscore reminder is nothing but we actually defined this function, so it will call this function. It will check if the time ends with this 05, then it will call this function. Then time.sleep 60 is nothing but it is used to wait for a minute before checking the time again to avoid repeated reminders. Okay. Next, if the time doesn't end with 00 or 05, we simply wait for 1 second. Means here I am giving 1. This is also nothing but seconds, 60 seconds, and this is nothing but 1 second. Time dot sleep 1 before checking time again. Next, I am using this. I am handling the keyboard interruption. If you want to stop this reminder, you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard. If the user press Ctrl C, then this message will occur. Reminder app stopped. Okay. I'll explain this once again. Set reminder is a function, and we are defining this function to check, to continuously check the current time, trigger the reminder. First, what I'm doing means I'm defining this try block to handle any exceptions that occur during execution of a reminder. And this while true will check current time, continuously check the current time. And here you can see if current time ends with this, then speak reminder, I mean this function will execute, this function will execute, and it will this will wait for 60 seconds. Next, if the current time doesn't end with 05, we simply wait for 1 second, okay, before checking time again. Next, if the user presses the Control C button on the keyboard, then this reminder app stopped message will be printed. Let's run this. And next we are running this block, I mean to print the reminder app started, and press Control C to stop, and this function it will call. Let's run. Water. Remember to stay hydrated. Can you hear this? Water. Remember to stay hydrated. Just listen this. Actually, it is waiting for the time that ends with 09. So that's why it's taking time. So this is how you can set a reminder app, water drinking reminder app on your laptop. In the next session, I'll be showing one notification as a, how to create a notification on your Windows. So set a default notification on your window for each and every hour to drink water. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and happy coding. If you found this informative, then share it with your friends, and stay tuned. Happy coding, stay hydrated, happy summer. Thank you for watching.